You ever open your Mac and it's already acting weird? The fan's loud, the battery's draining fast, and your internet's working overtime, even when nothing's open. Before you panic or blame a macOS update, there's a quick way to find out if something shady is happening behind the scenes, like spyware silently sending your data out. Here's how to check using just Terminal. Step 1. Go to Launchpad, then Terminal. Step 2. Type the code on your screen and press Enter. This command should list all open files and network connections. Step 3. Type the command below and press Enter. This shows all active network connections and listening ports numerically. Focus on established links to unknown addresses and any listen activity you didn't authorize. Remove these and your Mac should run smoothly again. For more tech guides, follow TechLoy.